Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States. What customer states my vehicle won't start? Please check and advise. We'll say no more, fam. We got you. What we found a dead 12-volt battery because the vehicle has been sitting. We saw the brake rotors looked pretty rusty, so that's a telltale sign that the vehicle has been sitting. There's pine needles there. We got some acorns and stuff, but those are not full acorns. Those are half-eaten acorns. So the moment we opened the hood, we could hear rattling in the hood, and then we found a lot of pee-pees and poo-poos, as we could see all the staining. Some of it's still there. We got the shop girlfriend out today. She's right there. So we started vacuuming up, and then we removed the clips to the hood installation pad, or with some manufacturers, the sound blanket, the hood sound blanket. So we took the clips up. Well, we found their hoard of food, and we also found their condo. And then we found even more food. So yeah, guys, this is, wow, that is even more. Look at that sea of madness. So 'tis the season. It's all cold out now, and rodents are looking for a warm place, and right on top of this warm engine is this spot right here, and you could see they definitely made themselves very, very comfortable. So what we're doing is we're removing that whole sound deadening, and we're throwing it out. We're going to clean the engine bay. We already replaced the cabin air filter, but yeah, everybody, 'tis the season. Give your car a couple of hits before you start it, because you never know what's going to scurry out. And if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification at this point for further rodents.